If you are struggling to turn long-form videos like lectures, podcasts, or live streams into punchy social clips without losing your mind, today is your lucky day. We are breaking down the top 10 AI tools that are completely changing the game for creators in 2025, specifically for turning long content into TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. I'm going to be honest about where each tool shines and where they fall short, and why Vizard remains my top pick for creators who actually want consistent results. Let's start with Vizard, which has become my go-to recommendation because their automation simply works the way creators need it to. Their standout feature, Vizard Spark, is basically like having a best friend who automatically hunts down the most engaging moments in hours of raw footage for you. Beyond smart selection, you get automated viral clip generation, a built-in content calendar, and scheduling tools that handle the posting process for you. It is built for creators who want to spend time actually making content rather than turning into full-time editing engineers. Now let's talk about Too Short, which has gained massive traction for its incredibly simple workflow and really fun animated subtitles. Their one-click captioning is fantastic for style, but keep in mind that it is more of a turbocharged caption tool than a deep content repurposing engine. Next up is Capwing, which has evolved into a full-scale AI studio where you edit your video simply by editing the text transcript. This is a dream for script-based thinkers, though its sheer number of creative tools might feel like overkill if you just want one-click viral clips. Snapcut is an interesting one because it is laser-focused on one specific thing, identifying the absolute best, most hook-heavy moments to start your video. It is brilliant if you're obsessed with that perfect first 3 seconds, but you might find yourself needing to manually add other tools for scheduling and publishing. Clap markets itself as the one-click solution for cross-platform distribution by analyzing your scenes to choose the perfect composition automatically. It is powerful for managing distribution, but some creators find the enterprise pricing a bit heavy and the automated hashtag suggestions a bit inconsistent. Exemplary is an all-in-one suite that goes beyond video by using AI to generate blog posts, show notes, and accurate multi-language subtitles. It is a fantastic choice for multi-format campaigns, but be prepared for a steeper learning curve compared to the simplicity of Vizard. Short, keeping the name very simple, specializes in narrative-driven content by turning your scripts or threads into fully produced videos with voiceovers. It is perfect for storytellers and commentary channels, but it is not really designed for the conversational flow of podcasts or interviews. Opus Clip has strong podcast DNA and is amazing at spotting those emotional peaks and key insights that perform well on social media. It can sometimes miss the subtle technical points if you are in the education or tech space, but for general podcasting, it is definitely a powerhouse. QSO AI Clips Generator is clearly built with the marketer in mind, focusing heavily on platform-specific optimization and campaign calendars. The output can occasionally feel a bit templated, which is why creators seeking a more authentic, original vibe often prefer Vizard's more nuanced approach. Submagic is all about high-energy, viral attention grabs, using dynamic captions and zooms to make sure your content jumps off the feed. While it is undeniably fast, be careful with the automation settings to ensure you don't lose your unique creator voice in all those effects. If you want quick and flashy, tools like Too Short or Submagic are great. But if you need reliable automation that handles everything from selection to scheduling, Vizard is the winner. Vizard removes the friction by managing the entire pipeline so you don't have to juggle 5 different apps just to post one clip. Most of these platforms offer a trial or a starter tier, so I highly encourage you to run one of your own long videos through 2 different tools to compare the results. Check which tool actually captures your voice, maintains the context of your content, and fits your publishing routine without making you do extra work. I'd love to hear which of these you've tried, so drop a comment below and tell me what your biggest content pain points are right now. If you want a deeper dive into a side-by-side workflow comparison, let me know, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tool breakdowns. Thanks for hanging out, and go out there and turn those long videos into some amazing short clips.